sudden equipment malfunctions, inconsistent quality, problems with unknown causes with no way to prevent recurrence. Issues like these are a major source of trouble on the production floor. Fuji Electric's NISDAS is a high-precision data collection and analysis tool that enables millisecond-level recording and analysis of production equipment conditions. Collect a wide range of data from PLCs, inverters, sensors, and other devices in real time with a single data server. The system can be integrated with network video recorders. The collected data can be visualized and analyzed through a wide range of analysis tools, from waveforms, frequencies, statistical results, and other elements. You can view charts and camera footage together on a single timeline to see what happened and how things moved at a glance, allowing you to identify phenomena and analyze causes more quickly. Monitoring even minor changes in equipment over the long term will enable you to detect signs of component wear and abnormalities early. Prevent unexpected shutdowns with predictive maintenance. Enable decision-making based on data without relying on instinct or experience. Early detection of abnormalities, optimization of equipment condition, and reproducibility of quality. NISDAS supports reliable plant and facility operations while lightening the burden on workers on the production floor.